My name is Karthiyani, daughter of Salvakumar. My ID number is CL0822200073. My batch is DM29A. Today I am present about national disaster. What are the natural disasters? These natural disasters are sudden, powerful event caused the natural disaster frost, and then they led to severe damage to the environment, property, and human life. And then this event occur without human control, and they impact it depend on cross and location, often affect billion of people. And then next disaster in Malaysia is Malaysia in local in Southeast Asia and the not in the perfect ring of fire. They still experience several type of national disasters. Common disasters include flood, lands, storms, haze, and mineral headquarters. Second one is type of national disaster in Malaysia. Number first is flood. Flood is most request national disaster in Malaysia and common during the monsoon season is November to March. Severely affect Kelantan, Terengganu, Bahang, dan Johor. The result is property damage and loss of life. And second, blindness. Houses mainly in highland houses after heavy rain. And common location is Ululangan, Kam Island, Klang Village, slope is like this. And often caused by unplanned development. As is storm and strong winds, this means sudden storm and strong winds and designer suckers and half to trees, and then basically also during monsoon transition period. Number four is hackback. Hackback is rare but possible, mostly in Sabah. Notable example 2050 runoff earthquake which caused facility on Mount Kinabalu. Impact of natural disasters. Number four is loss of life and injury. This is a likely individual dying being injured a result of disaster as flood, occur, accident or other risks. Second is decrease of destruction of property. Homes, road, bridge, building, and other nature infrastructure may be destroyed or damaged. Usually, that every high cost and loss of service. Second is measured to reduce risks. The first one of public training and education for disaster preparedness. This is education in what individual one the do period to during and follow established. It may involve degrees, workshop or public awareness campaigns that enable people to communicate to compress risk, prepare an emergency plan, talk emergency kit, and know how to remain safe. The second point is experimentation of early warning system. This means this involves experimental mechanism that can predict possible natural disaster like flood, earthquake, tsunami, or storm before they happen and warn the people public. Then objective was to provide individual and then government with suffering some to prepare and respond to prevent disaster and the loss of life. Main content for what is the typhoon? Typhoon is the powerful tropic storm and the form over the waterways Pacific Ocean. And then this is the same weather phenomenon as during an Asian Ocean and then a clone in the India Ocean. How do the typhoons form? Form over formed over farm ocean water at least 26.5 Clary, and then warm water hit the higher waves and creates the low pressure area. The calorie effect due to earth rotating causes the strong and rotate and intrusive. If favorable condition persists, the storm developed into the typhoons. is notable typhoon in example Typhoon Ian 2013. The name is Typhoon Ian, launched in the Philippines area countries. The date is November 8, 2013. Affected area is Philippines, especially Leyte and Samar, in Vietnam, China. Wind speed over 315 km/h, 195 MB. Cash speed more than 6,300, mainly in the Philippines. Damage damage is ground US 5.8 billion. Explain factor are related to the cause of the typhoon. Number one is warm ocean water. This means primary energy source. Typhoon resource is surface temperature of at 26.5 calories of 17. uh, the hot water from the high above we reach to farm regions low pressure. Then the more heat and the promiser and then more into the stone. Number second is too much humidity in the air. It means moisture content in the middle and harbor atomic level assistant in the development on sunstorms. And then warm moisture air rise easily forming dense storm cloud necessary in the formatting of typhoons. Number three is low wind shear. This means wind shear refined to change wind speed and direction with higher. And then typhoon need low wind shears from. And then strong wind shear will disrupt the format from cloud and no typhoon would form. Number four is Cloris effect. This means the Cloris effect is caused by Earth rotation. This means the moving wind rotate and turn, allowing the typhoon to develop into a circular shape. And then this effect is more pronounced near the equator, but rotated 5 latitude away from it, which is the season typhoon do not develop actually one the equator. And number five is the last current weather disturbance. There has to be an extent chlorus of intention of low pressure system, and this disturbance is the first seed at the position to develop into the practical storm and ultimately in the typhoon. Recommendation. First is recommendation for the mitigation typhoon impact. First is improve reinforcement. Second one, improve early warning system, especially energy preparedness plan and impact land use the zoning policy, and then creating climate adopting and the relation programs, and then strengthen local government capability. Then second way to reduce the effect of the typhoon. This means build the better building, improve early warning system, prepare communication, protect the environment, proper land use the planning, emergency response and relief. As is consolidation. Natural hazard, particularly typhoon, a major risk of human life, property, and then environment. As this tropical storm, typhoon can bring actually flooding, landslides, and property damage, especially low-lying and coastal area. The national impact and trend need to be under to discern mitigating preparedness. Strengthening early warning system, encourage communication, awareness, and in-which discern infections are critical to lessening the raging impact of typhoon on other resorts. Together at the local, national, and international level, we can help safeguard community and create a safer, more disaster resilient tomorrow. Thank you.